morning children. In previous class I explained like Satluja, Ganga and Brahmaputra, these major rivers and where they are flowing, that I explained. But today I am going to give the information about life in the Satluja basin, where what they are doing, which crops they are growing, what is the lifestyle of these peoples. So just see, the river is Satluja river is flows through Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. These are the main states. From there, other cities like famous cities like Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Amritsar. There, the Satluja river is flowing. The famous golden temple also we can see in the Amritsar. In Amritsar, the famous golden temple is there, and there the most of the people are engaged in farming work, because that all the land is fertile. That's why they are growing crops, the good quality crops they are growing. They are using the modern ways, means scientific ways they are using. Means that tractors they are using, tools they are using, harvesters they are using, and putting their good qualities seeds and getting crops like wheat, millet, rice, sugarcane, brown, oilseed, and mostly they are getting famous vegetables. Vegetables also they are growing in their field. So these all the famous high quality crops they are exporting to another cities and another states and another countries also. So see here, in the farming they are keeping some animals like cattle rearing. Which animals they are keeping? Cows and buffaloes. From they are getting the dairy milk also. They are dairy farming also doing with the farming. So cows and buffalo they get milk. So they are engaged in dairy work also. Next, they are usually spoken which language? Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi. These people are speaking Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi. These popular language they are speaking in this area. So next, which festival they are celebrating? Lohri, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Guru Parv and Diwali. These are the major festivals they are celebrating together. And then their famous dance is also Bhangra and Gidda. These are the famous dance forms we are seeing in our Punjab and these states. So see children, another second lifestyle in the Ganga basin. What is the life in the Ganga basin? Do you understand this? Satluja basin, what they are growing, what they are celebrating festivals, which language. Do you all understand this? Next I am going to next topic, life in the Ganga basin. So their major states where the Ganga river is flowing: Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand. These are the major states there the Ganga river is flow through. And then what is first one by one I am going to explain what is the lifestyle in that different states. So see here, West Bengal. West Bengal is in their major crop is rice. Major crop is rice, and some crops are jute. Jute they are growing. The Bengal, West Bengal capital city is Kolkata, and they are using this jute. They are making the bags, carpets. Just see in this book, in your book, these carpets, bags they are weaving. Next, they are mostly speak the Bangla language, and then they are celebrating Durga festival in the West Bengal. Durga festival is famous in West Bengal. And next second one is what? UP. UP means Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital city is Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh capital city is Lucknow. They famous for Banarasi sarees. They are growing some they are having factories. So in that factories they are preparing Banaras sarees and chicken curry, fine weaving silk. Mostly silk sarees. They are famous for silk sarees and this fine chicken curry weaving. So this is the main occupation in the UP. What is the main cities? Here. Meerut, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi. These are the main cities in the UPs. They growing the crops like sugarcane, rice, wheat, pulses and oilseeds. These the main crops in West Bengal. And then they are speaking the language Hindi and Urdu. These Hindi and Urdu they speaking in this Uttar Pradesh, and they are celebrating festivals like Eid and Christmas. Eid and Christmas is most important festival in the UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next, New Delhi. New Delhi is capital city of our country. Do you understand now? New Delhi is capital city of India. So there we can see the many monuments, means historical places we can see in the Delhi. Which are the historical places? Qutub Minar, Red Fort and India Gate. These are the main historical places we can see in the Delhi. So this is a famous tourist place also. And next one is Bihar. Bihar capital city is Patna. Bihar capital city is Patna. There they are growing the most crops. Which crops they are growing? Rice is the main crop and they are growing wheat, sugarcane and jute. These are the crops they are growing in the using that Ganga river water. And then they are speaking the language Hindi, Bhojpuri and Maithili. These are Urdu. These four languages they are speaking in the Bihar. So they are celebrating festival like Diwali and Dussehra, Chhath, Eid and Teej. These are the famous festivals they are celebrating in Bihar. And then next one is Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital city is Ranchi. There they are Damodar river flow through the Jharkhand. This is a famous river which is that Damodar. This Damodar is sub-tributary of Ganga river. So this is flowing through the Jharkhand. So do you understand children what is the lifestyle in Satluj basin and Ganga basin? In next period I will teach that Brahmaputra basin lifestyle. So these all you have to write down in your notebook. What are the crops and what is the language, that all I explained in this board. That board photo I am sending you. You have to send your homework back to me. Thank you.